G'day guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going after some redfin in the local creek. I haven't been for a while, but this is a pond that I've caught one recently in. This is Kynan. Say g'day, yeah. So yeah, I'll just film Kynan as he tries to catch a redfin in this pond. So let's go. If we don't catch any fish here, guys, we might move a bit further down to a little pond where I've caught lots of little redfin. There's tons of little babies. Can you do like a, oh hold on, you got something on the end there. Can you do like a big cast, like as far down as you can? Oh crap. I bought my water gum boots that have a leak in them. That's not the best.
If you trust me, because I don't know how this can go.
Well, do you want me to do it?
You know what? Yeah.
Just let a bit more line out, maybe. Just don't hold back, kind of. Just cast right down there.
Like that?
Over your head. And then just flick over. Oh.
Yeah, I thought I was going to go, honestly.
Better? Alright.
I'll give you it.
Okay, let's have a go. Kynan did bring his rod, but he's got 4-pound line. Oh crap. Gee whiz. That was a little bit too high. Oh shit.
Time to go.
Hopefully we don't go over the tree again this time. Nothing on that one. Oh, picked up a leaf. Just moved about halfway. This is the deep spot of this pool. I don't know if he's moved to another pool. Let's just see. Oh. Don't want to ride off a fish just be sitting. Right about there. Nothing that cast. No. I'm gonna see if I can find a yabby. Because if I don't catch any fish, I can always just call this video catching yabbies and attempting to catch fish. At least I'll be catching something. What was that one? Is that a yab? No. Oh, there's one.
You get one?
Bang! Yep.
I'm coming.
I caught a yabby, guys. At least I know how to catch something. So I'm just riding down to my little spot. This creek is very big. Well, it goes for a very long way. This is one of the ponds that I've sometimes fished in. Never had any luck. But we're almost there. Hello. can't say I'm too good at mountain biking. Gotta get off and walk. Right here, just there, on the other side of this log, is where I've caught a redfin with my bare hands. We're actually looking for yabbies like I was earlier in this video. Lifted up a rock. There was a redfin, he was trapped in by the rock, so we just grabbed him. Alright. Now, you'll notice how I'm just riding along, you know, going past a lot of pools. That is because a lot of this river isn't fishable. Really, it's not fish holding. Okay, I've just ridden past my pond. I really don't know if I scared the fish then, but I'll give it a go anyway. So here I am. Fish like to sit on the other side of, oh, there's some rocks in the water. So I ran where that big gum tree is in the water. If you follow me on Instagram, I've got a little video where I catch, I think, 2 of them. We caught 4 that day, but from this pond. They're all babies. About a year ago, I came here, never having caught a redfin in a creek. Oh crap. Shit, I almost just broke my rod. That was really bending there. Okay, and I caught about 7 big ones out of this pond, put 2 decent sized ones back, and came back a year later, thinking, oh yeah, maybe try and catch 2 decent sized ones, and just caught heaps of babies. So it's obviously repopulated by the babies. So even though it is illegal, I do like to put the redfin back in this pond, because I do like eating them. Let's see if I get over here. Oh, stuff that I just go under. And I just cast up here. Let's see, I might not get anything. That was a bit weird. Oh, that's not promising. Usually I get something on the first cast. Let's have another go. Oh, yeah. Good. Excellent. There you go, folks. First fish ever caught on camera for the Rob's SA Fishing channel. Let's see. Oh crap. Why's my rod falling apart? No, never mind. Let's have a look at him. Really quite a little redfin there. Probably 10, 12 centimetres. Probably one of the smaller ones in this pond. I've caught, oh, off he goes, or not. I've caught some bigger ones, but the biggest one in here is probably 15. When I caught that one with my hands, I put him back in here. So, put my rod back together. That's just one of probably about 6 or 7 little redfin that live in this pond. Let's see. Oh, there's a hit. There's another fish. Hello. Probably about the same size. But yeah, this is a good spinner for catching redfin on. There he is, little redfin. He's not opening his mouth for me. Don't open up. Yeah, now I can hold him properly. Ugh. Or not. But there he is, oh, look at the red on that. That's beautiful. Can't wait till they get a bit bigger though. Must be a bit of a shortage of food here. Let's have another cast. It's always good to come out and be able to just catch fish so close to my home. Let's see. Anything? No, nothing that cast. Strange. Usually I get real switched on. Oh, no. Let's see. That was a bad cast. Hello?
Hello. You're fishing here?
No, not really.
Oh, okay.
Nah, just really small ones.
Oh.
Oh, there's a bite already. Had a cast right up the other end of the pool and had a bite. Some people just walked by and they were asking me if I'd ever fished in Flagstaff Hill Flood Control Dam. And I have fished in there many times. When I say many times, I mean like 5 or 6 times. But never even seen a fish other than like a little gambusia in there. They said they've seen a big carp in there. But it's just downstream from here. It's actually the same dam where I got stuck in the mud. That's one of my earlier videos. Huh. This tree wasn't here before. Maybe it's been washed down. There's lots of rocks. Oh, there's a big stick in the middle of where I want to cast. No, good. Alright. G'day.
Hey mate, catching dinner?
Not quite dinner.
What's in there?
Redfin. Hardcore mountain bikers. Yeah, alright. Enough on that cast. Let's see how good is this pond. We've got all this down there. Looks super fishy. And we've got all of this up here. I reckon if I was a fish. Oh. Wow, I just smelt fish. Sometimes, yeah, fish have got that fishy smell. Sometimes you can smell them around. I can just smell fish here. This has got to have fish in it. Funnily enough, I've never actually caught any fish in this pond. It's a bit annoying, but yep, straight over the tree as per usual. Nah, fuck it. Oh, stuff it. Sorry. Pardon my language. Excuse the profanity. Oh, just come here for goodness sake. I'd be really glad if I caught one in here because it would confirm what I think, and that is that fish would love to live in here. But I haven't been able to find any, so. It's actually really deep, in the deep section over there. Oh. Oh. Bugger, that really felt like bites. G'day. Well, that concludes this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it. I only managed to catch 2 little redfin today. Was hoping to catch a few more from the same pond, but unfortunately they didn't want to play the game. And I did fish further upstream for a larger redfin, which I've caught in the past. I released him and he wasn't there. So I don't know what's happened there. Perhaps he's been caught. Perhaps he's moved on. The redfin are breeding at this time of year, so I say hopefully, or hopefully some new babies can get washed down, fill it up with some more redfin, but you know, then they'll end up killing all the native fish. Let's just say I won't mind if they do. So yeah, cheers for watching the vid. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. You'll notice the quality of the video is getting better, as well as the content. I'm actually catching some fish now. That's because I'm filming this on a GoPro Hero 7 Black, and a lot easier. I've just got to figure out how to be able to edit it on the laptop and upload it. But yeah, see you next time. Thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it.